Gran Marbella Resort and Beach Club is a 5-star sea-view hotel, steps from the sought-after Playa Real de Zaragoza, east of Marbella. The resort, with its Andalusian courtyards and evocative architectural features, sea-view rooms and suites, for distinct pools, Spain's first Champions Wellness Spa and the Riviera-inspired AMU Beach Club. Rooms are generous, with large stone and marble bathrooms, separate bathtubs and walk-in showers. There's plenty of storage, and a proper in-room bar area. Suites add enhanced space and privacy. Garden suites bring a private pool and hedged seclusion. Terrace suites sit high with hot tubs and broad views. Pool life is well thought out. A small children's pool sits alongside a relaxed family pool. Across the new garden bar is the main pool for sun-soaked days. Terraza defines the culinary approach. The menu is Andalusian at heart: garlic prawns, grilled aubergines with cane honey, artichokes with lemon aioli, gazpacho, Iberian ham with crystal bread, and salads from Niçoise style to quinoa and avocado. For drinks, the lobby bar and the Andalusian patio is a tranquil place for coffee or an aperitif. The new garden bar, opposite the signature brickwork arches, fountains, and tiled detail, is excellent, with daily live music from a mellow sax player to Spanish guitar.